Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can view your TikTok balance, like how many coins you have. So go to your profile right here and select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Then you are going to go to settings and privacy, and then you're just going to select balance. And as you can see, I don't have any. You can recharge it here. You can also view your gift revenue here. I have $0.65. But yeah, that is where you can view your TikTok balance. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!